Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Gulve, Physiotherapist, Chiropractor, manual therapist, and pain management specialist. So today we are with Mrs.
Yes, I'm Louisa.
Angela. What is your age?
My age is 64.
64. So you had a pain in your right leg, right?
Yes, in the right knee I had
Right knee.
pain. Because I carried weight.
Okay.
Otherwise, now I'm feeling relaxed.
Okay. So when the pain was started?
Pain was started November 11th. It started.
Okay. Any injury?
I just carried weight. A heavy
Okay.
stool I carried.
Okay.
From downstairs to up I carried.
Okay.
So the very next day the pain started.
Okay. So this is a testimonial video actually. We have
Yes,
given
sir.
her 7 visits. So how was the pain before?
Before the pain, it was very bad. I was
Okay.
unable to walk proper. Just 5 minutes I walk. I was not able to walk for 5 minutes also. Climb stairs also it was very difficult. Just the weight was I would put all the weight on the left knee and climb the stairs.
Oh.
But now I'm able to walk with both my legs. I'm feeling much comfortable.
So what about climbing stairs? Up and
Climbing
down?
stairs also I'm feeling comfortable.
Okay. So how is your experience?
My experience is very good.
Okay. Happy with the treatment?
Yes, I'm very happy with the treatment.
Okay. What all changes you have seen in the pain?
Pain, there's a lot of changes. There was the pain was like very. I felt like that my life is ruined. I felt like that. I don't know what happened to me. I felt like that. Then my sister-in-law, she told me that, who works over here, she told me, why don't you try over here? I had been to Kim's hospital. Then doctor said no climbing stairs and all that, he said. And then I was on supplements, but still that pain was there. And then afterwards, I told my sister-in-law like that, I'm having pain and I'm not able to walk and all. So she said, why don't you come to Ashoka Rehab?
Okay.
I said, it's fine, I'll come. Then after meeting you, doctor, the treatment, the program went well, 7 days program. It was alternate days.
Right.
So it went well, and the cooperation with you and the other staff members, everything went well. I felt very much satisfied.
So your quality of life improved.
Yeah.
So we have manipulated her knee joint. She is having a severe structural changes in her right knee joint. After seeing the X-ray and physical examination, so we have planned for only 7 visits. So within the 7 visits, she has improved very well. And as the last visit, we will mobilize her knee joint. Along with that, we have done all the treatment approaches like laser therapy, strengthening exercise, shock wave. So we will mobilize.
Okay.
Right. Just walk. So how is it now?
Yes, sir. Doing better.
Right. So one more success story added, came in with a lot of pain, with a compromised quality of life, and that now you're doing your full work
Yes.
without pain.
Yes.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Right.
so much, sir.